Hi, I'm Corey Dishman, the owner of Kaiser Air Conditioning. Thanks for taking the time to let us into your home and provide you the best value for your comfort needs.
Welcome to Kaiser Air Conditioning. Let us take a moment to show you who we are. For over 30 years, our business has truly been about people.
At Kaiser Air Conditioning, we provide many brands of equipment. One of those brands is Lennox, and we're proud to be a Lennox Premier dealer. In order to become and maintain a Lennox Premier dealership, you have to meet and maintain certain standards that Lennox requires. One of those standards that really stands out is maintaining an over 90% approval rating by our customers. I'm so proud of Kaiser Air Conditioning and where we've come from. We started with just my uncle and 2 employees, and now we're one of the largest companies in Ventura County. By being one of the larger air conditioning companies in the county, we're able to staff a job well and get it done in a timely manner, as well as provide very good vendor pricing. We can provide just about anything possible in the heating and air conditioning field. Whether it's service and maintenance, whether it's placement, whether it's a new install in a home, we do it all. We're a full-fledged outfit that's more than capable of any size job. We do a large array of projects, from a remodel to a large custom home, and some people may not know, but we even do large multi-dwelling projects. So in order to get a proper load calc, we need to gather information such as what type of construction it is, whether it's a tightly built home or a loosely built home, what type of windows you have and what direction they face, what type of existing insulation do you have in the ceiling and in the walls. So by spending a little bit of time now and getting an energy calc, we're going to size the equipment to match the demand of your house. And we're going to be able to provide you the maximum efficiency, the best possible comfort, and the longest lifespan for your equipment. Other factors involved are where your home is located, what region you're in, what type of climate you're in. Many companies don't perform this service as we do, and they're not able to size the unit properly for the home, and can lead to energy loss as well as very poor comfort in the home. What your comfort advisor is doing right now is providing a load calculation for the house, and it is absolutely essential that we do this in order to size the equipment properly to meet the demand of the home.
As Corey was saying, our load calculations are very important. This example I wanted to share with you is with a customer who got multiple bids. All of the bids were showing that his home needed a 4-ton system. When Kaiser arrived, we did a load calculation and was quickly able to show him that his home needed a smaller system. That smaller system not only provided him with a lower cost on the initial installation, but also became a better solution for cooling and heating his home. The benefits of having a maintenance program is really fourfold for that customer. The first reason they want to have a maintenance program is because it helps them maintain their mechanical piece of equipment. The second reason is that it gives them priority service in case of something breaking down. The third reason is that it gives them a discount if they ever do need a serviceman to come out and fix one of their pieces of equipment. The fourth reason why is it allows them to have proper documentation for the manufacturer in case of a warranty situation. So what are some of the things that we do in the maintenance program? Well, for starters, we change your filter. A clean air filter causes less stress on the motor inside of your furnace. So why change your filter? A dirty filter causes stress on your system when it's trying to run, and also it prevents your system from cleaning the air that you breathe. So what are some of the other things that we do in our maintenance program? Well, we do things such as cleaning your condenser coil, making sure your refrigeration is at its proper levels, checking all electrical connections, making sure that there's no corrosion buildup or loose wires. Finally, we check your furnace to make sure that the flame pattern is proper and that there are no gas leaks.
We chose Kaiser because of their long-standing reputation of being in the area, and they were very professional and honest, and they were very helpful in helping us figure out what type of system we really needed, and they finished their work in a very reasonable amount of time.
Well, it was fun having the guys around. They're good folk. At any rate, they're very efficient. They don't, there's no mess left or anything, and they're quiet and they go about their work, but they're great guys. And the gal in the office is wonderful, and I can always get in touch with them if I need them. But they came when they said they would. They took about the same amount of time that they said they would, and the bill was what they said it would be. No, they're great. They're the best.
Kaiser Air Conditioning also operates a full-service internal sheet metal fabrication facility. When HVAC systems installation requires proprietary fitment and hardware, our skilled staff produces the highest quality products that eliminate typical outsourced material costs. As a result, Kaiser AC is able to offer a level of customer service that is as unique as the people we proudly serve.
Kaiser Air Conditioning, we don't just serve the residential community. We do a large array of commercial projects, from businesses to restaurants to even larger applications. We even have ongoing service maintenance contracts with many businesses throughout Ventura County.
For the fast-paced and time-critical parameters of commercial HVAC services, Kaiser AC's team of professionals receive ongoing certifications and training with the latest technologies or industry regulatory compliance.
There are multiple reasons why Kaiser provides training and ongoing education for its employees. To name a few, safety. We want our installations to be safe for our employees and our homeowners. And also technology. We want our employees to be updated and educated on the latest solutions.
I'd like to thank you for allowing us into your home and spending time with us and allowing us to meet your comfort needs. If you want to know more about us, I invite you to visit our website at kaiserac.com, where you'll learn more about the things that we care about in our community.
We are Kaiser AC and are proud to provide quality service and value since 1981.